Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the e-flite air tractor. I've already checked all my control services. I've checked my CG as I preach at the bench when I put the battery in. I do that when I put the battery in. Let's get down here. We're going to taxi a little bit. Now, a lot of people have suggested to me, and I agree with them to a certain degree, to go ahead and change out these tires for the Tundra tires, and because they're less bouncy, because I'll be honest, these tires here do have a certain amount of bounce to them, and when you land, especially if you you kind of have a rough landing, they're very stiff. So yeah, I can understand the desire for the Tundra tires, the ones that come on the timber, for the fact that, you know, they are less bouncy. But my thing is, if you just pay attention to what you're doing,
time limit 4 minutes.
then you can do just fine. Nice little touch and go there. Haven't flown this plane for a little while, so I'm having to get readjusted. And y'all know me, when you see me fly planes, what I like to do is just do landings and takeoffs. And touch and goes. You know what we're going to do? We're going to try it from this angle. Come in just a little too hot there. Okay.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I can do better than that. Let's see if we can't do better than that. I do like those lights though. Whoa. Well, clearly I need more practice, so let's try this some more. She definitely has the power. Definitely has the power.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Much better, much better. Much better. All right, let's go with takeoff flaps. Okay. Not trying to get too crazy aerobatic with it tonight or this morning. Just kind of enjoying the flight. They're lined up with the runway. Oh yeah. Much better, much better. Of course, I had the grass to slow me down. There's no wind today at all. No wind. So flaps are a must right now because there is no wind. Whoa. My depth perception was off there. Thought I was further in. Tell you what, let's do. Let's get turned around here. We'll try it from this direction. Of course, now I'm landing on a hill, so it's going to work against me. Yeah, that wasn't very good. All right, we're going to try this again. Takeoff flaps only this time. Not for landing, but for actually, yeah, for landing. We're going to do landing flaps. Gotta get this right. I know I can do it. Let's try it for the other side. Slow her down a little bit.
Time expired.
Yeah. Oh, much better. Much better. All right, well, that's a good way to end it there. Yeah. You know, I had to do one more. Not bad at all. All right, folks. Well, there's the air tractor, the e-flite air tractor, with those nice Fowler flaps and beautiful design. Yeah, people say it's an ugly bird. I don't. I used to think it was an ugly bird, but it's really grown on me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.